shut up, what's in the made. Boy, skin out like butter pan bread.
Why? Wrong bang. Error. Why? Bumbleclaw. Why? Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Comment on this video to see your comment right here, so in my next video that I post. Now we're here with another Trinidad reaction. We here, see me as I represent for the Trinidad people them right now. So right now, what I want all the Trinidad people to do is subscribe to the Jamaican boy channel right now and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. If it's the first time seeing my face, hello, hi. I'm Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. The most lit music with the reactions them right here, so you're there. You're in the right place. So subscribe and build a bumbleclad vibes. You're deaf. Anyway, so I have Medz boss. Blood. You see me I say. So right now, I think it's a gunman song. I'm not sure. A subscriber recommend this one to me. And I think I did Swanee. What's his name? Prince Swanee. That's the first Trinidad music video I reacted to. You understand me? And everyone say, yo, do some more. Because I think that there's not really a lot of Trinidad YouTubers. Anyway, we're not talking about that. People, subscribe to the channel and see what I'm going for Medz boss. Blood right now. I see what I can understand from my channel. Bam! Deaf? Big up myself, reality flames. So this is Medz boss right here. Well, I'm Medz and look at Medz boss. What you did, bro, God? Yeah, you're representing for the culture. But I'm a biggest cliff already, you deaf? Well, I need to start standard English, Tyre. This is not a Jamaican song. Trinidad people understand me anyways. So, anyways, lighting up a biggest cliff. I don't know chap. Run through.
What go on to baby? Yeah, me even no folk to get beyond it.
Yeah.
A boy try run up him out thing one day.
Man just steady. He's just steady on the track like, yo, we even no floating on it. This is gonna be like it's like a calm gun song, dog. Okay. And what is Z-Tech? Is that the promotion? Is like a producer or somewhere here? Like, I think I heard that in a Trinidad song, Z-Tech. What's Z-Tech? I'm not sure. Let's go though.
Squeeze a bitch, I me beat it pan ya.
Yeah.
Load a big clip, me squeeze it pan ya. And if a boy try run up him out thing one day.
What? Okay. Don't go. Man say, yo, we even up. Hold on. Let me go back and listen what he's. I'm gonna listen to this good quick. The man say we even up. This is not a gun song, yo. This dude is just steady. He's just simple, just relaxing and going on the beat. Like, damn. Yo, for my Jamaicans, you know, like David the Doctor kind of clash thing, yo. I saw the man that deal with the instrumental, brother. I saw the man that deal with the rhythm, brother. Listen to the man that sit down on the rhythm, brother.
Beat it pan ya. Load up the clip, me squeeze it pan ya. And if a boy try run up him out thing one day.
Yeah.
Me even no folk to get we hunted.
Deaf?
Squeeze a bitch, I me beat it pan.
Bumbleclaw! Medz boss! You're not holding no meds. Medz boss said that you're not holding no meds. The man that sit down on the rhythm, so they're gonna go on. Bumblecleat! Medz boss now all no meds. This is something I would like to see in the scheme of dancehall, because obviously they're doing dancehall. The Trinidad dancehall scene, trust me, listening to Trinidad music sound just like a Jamaican dancehall song to me, honestly. The instrumentals are the same and everything are the same. Not really everything, sometimes. But as I'm saying though, I would like to see a Jamaican artist clash like a Trinidadian artist. That would have bad. That would have sick. One thing in the comment section. Run through no Medz boss.
Load a big clip, me squeeze it pan ya. Yeah. So bring the bull up, make my boss it.
Yeah.
Green fly, I like the birds there.
Okay.
Them attack and I know they couldn't rush.
Thugs them out as on see no people. Medz boss not take no shit, you know. Medz boss ready for blood some boy right now, you know. Medz boss not ease up, you know. We're going to Medz boss. I saw I'll go on in the video right there. Alright, going through no Medz boss.
My boss it, boy, brain fly.
The ice them. Why? Hope we'll never hear that. Anyways, the ice around him neck, the chain them. The bling bling. You know, say some man put on some fake. But I say Medz boss thing, I'm not saying Medz boss jewelry is fake. I'm just saying, you know, You know what? Just alright. He's a big artist or whatever. Anyways, hopefully, I'm not sure if he is. I don't know him yet. Just enter the scene. But you know, some artists, you know, prop jewelry. And thing. Anyways, let's go. Lego.
Try on the men's go for them and up with them.
Someone else.
We are the wickedest.
What?
No, we are the sickest. Rifle for Ford make boy get.
Wait a minute. I see a rifle. Oh, that's a rifle just now. I'm like, I saw this dude with a machete, a choppy, a cutlass in his fucking hands just now. What, Medz boss? You're not holding no meds. Medz boss not holding no meds, people. Medz boss up on a killing spree, people. I lost the money I use. Cutlass, Medz boss I use. Medz boss. God damn. Let's see what's popping though. See there?
I mean dogs them crazy no fuck you me even no fuck to get me on dead.
Yeah.
Boy try run up him mouth thing on dead.
Verse bad. Boy try run up him mouth thing going dead. Yeah, we even no fuck. Alright, that bad. Let me see what's going on first. The next verse.
Don't
want to hear that again.
Make him boss it. Kappa shot a boss in your face so hush puppy yeah. Kush but have the tall up stash me.
Kappa shot a bus in your face. Hold on. Me catch your lyrics them.
Hush puppy, yeah. Kush, but have the tall up stash me. Rifle pop make boy body drop pussy. Z.
Dude rocking his Adidas and shit. Alright, it's cool. I like it. But it's just weird for me, yo. It sounds just like the Jamaican dancehall songs, but me just reacting to this video. I don't know what to comment on or how I could relate to the song or anything, because I ain't got nothing to do with guns or whatever, y'all. The person who requested this song, man. Do I look like a gunman to you? I'm the reaction boss still, so I gotta what's that word? What the word I remember, but damn. Let's go.
We are the whole scheme like an if a boy violate we long in a go cut. All of the gun them the blood in my eyes them red.
That's all I'm gun them what? All of his guns are what?
We are the whole scheme like an if a boy violate we long in a go cut. All of the gun them the blood in my eyes.
All of my gun them the blood in my eyes. What? Don't care how many times I go back, I'm not gonna hear what he says. I don't know what's wrong with me. Every time I try that in the video, it doesn't work. So let's go. let's continue the video. Dog.
Skin out like butter pan bread.
What did he say? Girl skin out like butter. Man, wait. Man skin out like butter pan bread. Why?
Boy skin out like butter pan bread.
Why? Wrong bang. Error. Why? Bumba Cloud. Why? Even though I understand what he's actually saying, you understand me, like when they shoot a boy and him just lie down flat, meaning dead flat like butter pan bread, you know? Boy lie down flat. But he used the word skin out. Why? Why? Medz boss said nah, well, no Medz. Run through.
Body 15, me check it out. Nearly all of them blood in me eyes them red.
Yeah.
Papa shut up, boss in
them 8.
Even no folk don't get fat trouble with the bomber boss. You will kill him first. If I with the Mac 10, fire shut them rapid burst.
Boy, yeah, gunman. I live in gun. I'm so it's a gun on the video.
I'm crazy no folk, you me evil no folk. And if a boy try run up him out, thing on.
Indeed. I know what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to comment at Trinidad twerk dancer song, a twerk one though the girls are going bad. So if you all know any Trini songs or Trini music video I should say, where you see some big batty Trinidad girls tonight, find the channel, comment it right down below in the comment section. Any music video at all from Trinidad where the Trinidad girls are going bad and them batty are going bad, Trinidad girls are shake out the batty well wild for way, drop it down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to check that one out. Yeah, I know the chop already, you know. We like to see the girls them. That's for me, guys. If you're from Trinidad and you're watching me right now, this point in the video, me in music videos, what I look for is the females with the big body them brawling. You understand? But subscribe to the channel, help me reach 10,000 subscribers, and comment some more Trinidad songs, and I'll be sure to check them out. You understand me? Yes, I post every single day, so it kinda have to do though. Deaf. I'm out.